Deep within the heart of the Appalachian Mountains lies the Forgotten Cave, a place shrouded in mystery and wonder. What makes this cave truly unique is its resident population of glow in the dark worms. These bioluminescent creatures, known as glowworms, emit a soft, eerie light that illuminates the cave's dark passages. Scientists discovered that these worms use their glow to attract prey, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's ingenuity. This natural light show is not only a rare sight, but also a fascinating example of evolution at work. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories like this.